some fresh Witlof or chicory placed into a steel container, a little bit of honey, bee's honey that is, and some of Dilmah's Lychee tea. The flavour and the aroma of this tea is incredible and will go perfectly with what I'm going to make. This is sort of a Waldorf salad, has all the ingredients, but the most important ingredient is the Dilmah tea. Now I'm making a lychee tea salt. It's got salt, onion and garlic powder, as well as Dilmah's lychee tea. The dressing is made with yogurt and honey and blue cheese. I use gorgonzola, but you can use any cheese you like. And of course, adding a little bit more of the lychee tea. The lychee tea will brew in any liquid, but when there's a lot of fat in it, it'll take longer. That's why I made the lychee tea salt to accompany this. Toasted walnuts, and it's ready to assemble. Looks good, tastes great. Dilmah's Witlof Waldorf with lychee tea salt.